The importance of the tundra lies mainly due to its particular characteristics, its extraordinary species up to the condition of life, which is an essential part of the biodiversity in the planet, because in contrast with the mad condition of, for example, the desert, the biotic factors and the abiotic factors form this unique biome.
The tundra is by far the coldest of all the world's biomes and is one of the world's areas that is least inhabited by man. The Arctic tundra has an average winter temperatures of 34 Celsius degrees and average summer temperatures of 3 to 12 Celsius degrees. The highest parts of the Arctic tundra can have winter temperatures average of minus 28 Celsius degrees, sometimes dipping as low as minus 50 Celsius. The Arctic tundra receives approximately 50 to 25 centimeters of precipitation per year, which includes both rainfall, snowfall, and melting snow and ice. Alpine tundra typically has a longer growing season each year, but temperatures in these areas typically have temperatures at night that are below freezing, and strong wind patterns often really affect the ability to sustain life. Temperatures are typically between minus 12 and 10 Celsius degrees in the warmer months. Alpine tundra typically receives slightly higher amounts of yearly precipitation, around 30 centimeters per year.
They are related in their way of making them change, evolve, and how their cells must survive, adapting to the characteristics that are conditioned to survival. This can be seen in the only species that live here. They are perfectly adept and will be unable to survive in other biomes.
Despite the small number of species in this biome, its main feature is adaptation of the complicated process that these species maintain.
Wolves, wolverines, Arctic foxes, and polar bear. Lemmings, Arctic hare, snowshoe rabbits, caribou, musk oxen, mountain goats. Salmon, cod, trout, and flatfish.
In the tundra, the plants have different sizes and smaller roots. Common plants found in the tundra biome are reindeer moose, heath, liverwort, tussock grass, willow grouse, lichen, dwarf trees, and over 400 different flowers.
Arctic tundras are not present in Mexico because we are near the equator, but there's a variation that is in the top of mountains such as Pico de Orizaba in the state of Mexico, Nevado de Toluca, which is also in the state of Mexico, in the volcanoes of Popocatépetl and Iztaccíhuatl, and Cofre de Perote in Veracruz, and Tacna in Chiapas.
This biome can be affected by different factors, such as the melting of the permafrost as a result of global warming, as it could radically change the landscape and what species are able to live there. Ozone depletion at the north and south poles mean a stronger ultraviolet rays that will harm the tundra. Also, air pollution can cause smoke clouds and contaminate lichen, a significant food source for many animals. Invasive species specialize native vegetation and reduce diversity of plant cover. And also, oil spills can kill wildfire and significantly damage tundra ecosystems.
Arctic frogs. Two species of Arctic frogs are at risk of being endangered. One species in Russia is near extinction because of an infestation of mange, which is caused by parasites spread by dogs. The other species of Arctic frogs in Fennoscandia, they are trained by fur hunters. Caribou. They endanger because of lack of their food. Increased precipitation due to rising temperatures have caused the mooses and lichens, which are an important part of their winter diet, to be buried in thick layers of snow. The viability of food in summer has also decreased. The human destructive activities in the form of exploration of natural gas and oil have been disrupting them. Muskox. They were once considered endangered animals as they numbered only 500 in 1917. They have recovered since then and are no longer endangered animals. Polar bear. They are primarily endangered due to the climate change, which is melting the snow. This has endangered the habitat and created shortage of food. Their main prey is seals, which are becoming fewer in number due to less ice.